what's up, family? You know the vibe, we go crazy. God bless you, stay happy. Join the TNS family. What's up, family? You know the vibe, we go crazy. So come along and join the family.
Like, comment, share, subscribe.
What's up, TNS family? Welcome back to our channel. It's your fave girl Sarah.
It's your boy Tuxx.
And today we are officially reopened our gyms here in Melbourne, and it is our day one back here at WOLFZDEN. And yeah, we're actually really late, so we're gonna get straight into this vlog. Let's go. Amen.
Alright, so I'm gonna be nice and give you guys options. You can do either burpees or body drops, alright? Burpees, drop your chest, up, jump. When you guys are jumping, do not jump like this. Jump like this. Alright guys, we want to start practicing how to get reps, alright? So with our movements, we're going to start getting quality in the reps, okay? In the movements. So turn it to you if you want to do burpees or body drops. Body drops, just down, up, stand, and lock your hips, alright? Once you've done that in a minute, you go straight on to 15 or 12 air squats. When you come down, just up, back straight, right, and going below parallel. The whole minute, you will perform 10 burpees and 15 or 12 air squats. That is the whole minute, okay? The next minute, you will rest. So everyone who is here, you guys will go first. On the minute rest, you guys will go. Alright? Questions for warm-up? Beautiful. Alright? Get into your lanes. Let's go this one.
Sis, I took a whole week off. Didn't train at all. Okay guys, we're gonna get into this. Fraser's gonna watch us dive. Let's go.
Hey, what's the? Be smiling a lot. Hey, look, I'm scared. They can't really versus rebound. Let's go.
How do you feel?
Tired.
Did you hear? She said nice and easy.
Nice and easy. How do you feel?
Oh, it's the other way.
Gone.
What you guys are gonna do? It's gonna be every 90 seconds. Okay? The beauty of an EMOM that is on and off, you always gotta earn your rest, okay? So the harder you go, you get a good rest, alright? The slower you go, you're gonna feel like you don't earn that rest. You guys are gonna be split into 3 groups. First section, please listen now. Single arm devil press. What are you going to do? You're going to go with one hand. Do a burpee, okay? Up, right, bring it in, and up. Alright, that's 1. Bring it down, go again. There's 2. Alright, once you've done 5 on one arm, you will swap and repeat on the other, okay? Making sure it is like a kettlebell swing. So when you guys are bringing it, hinging your hips, driving it up your legs. Once you have done 10, you'll do 10 lateral burpees. So you will bring it down, go down, jump up, jump over, down. Or just step over, alright? And then guess what? You rest. So get your 10 done, you get to rest for the next 9 seconds. Next section. Woo! Get excited. We got elbow. Do not pick up the ball and throw it first. Pick up the ball, squat and throw. Squat and throw. Squat and throw. Please aim for the orange target. Boys will love the orange target, okay? You do either 20 or 15 more balls. Once you've done that, you will lay down, grab the ball, touch the ground, throw it on the wall. Then 1, 2. Alright? Let's get our balls nice and warm. Third section, you will go to the bike. Alright, please listen carefully.
Oh no.
You will see.
We're gonna die.
Started. What you do, guys, do 300 meters, ladies, 200, okay? So you will do 0.20 or 0.30.
Yo fam, no joke bro. If you haven't been on that assault bike, it is straight murder. So that's probably not the movement that I'm not looking forward to. We've done it a couple times at Brother Fraser's house and it's a nice straight. So yeah.
I will get you 3 together, you 3 together, you 2 can be with me.
Oh.
And it goes a little something like.
How can you love you all summer and after I'll keep you all summer and after I'll keep love you all summer and after I'll keep you all summer and after.
Yeah.
Hey guys, WOLFZDEN crew here. We offer free classes from Monday to Thursday. Please check out the description down below. Check out our page, follow our page, secure your booking, sign up. Let's go.